How to remove color grading in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the color page. Next, find the clip where you want to remove the color grading. After that, look at the node graph in the color page. Color grading is usually done using nodes. To remove the grading, right-click on the node that has the color correction and choose Reset Node Grade. If you want to remove grading from all nodes, choose Reset All Grades and Nodes. If you want to keep some corrections and only remove specific ones, you can disable a node by pressing Ctrl+D or delete the selected nodes by pressing the delete key. Another way is to use the bypass color grade button at the top of the color page. This turns off all color grading on the clip without deleting it. Remember, when you bypass, your clip will return to its original, ungraded look. And that's it. Now you know how to remove color grading in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.